Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, I'm going to talk about AMMO FROTHe, the best and safest hoseless wash system. It'll basically allow you to wash your car without the use of free-flowing water. So I'm going to present the products in the system. I'm going to show you how to use them. Larry Kosilla himself, the owner of AMMO NYC, might be doing a guest appearance in this video, so stay tuned. And I'm going to be answering the most commonly asked questions. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome back to all my regular viewers, and for all of you for whom it's the first time that you watch one of my videos, well, if you want to learn more about car detailing, so products, tips, tricks, techniques, and equipment, well, you're at the right channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Alright, so today I'm super excited to talk about the AMMO FROTHe system. So let's go ahead and first introduce the products in the lineup. So first, there's AMMO FROTHe itself. So it's a hoseless lift wash or a waterless wash because you need no water. You don't need any garden hose, any pressure washer, or any foam cannon for this. So this is your soap. So this is AMMO FROTHe. Next in the system, you can also get the AMMO aerator. So basically this is a pump sprayer. It's very well built, super well designed, and it comes with filters inside that are specifically tailor-made for use with AMMO FROTHe. It has a wide base, so when you set it down, it won't tip over, so that's pretty cool. It has a trigger up here up top, so you can control the fan out and the spray of the bottle itself. And it's very, very sturdy. Also in the system, there's the brand new version of AMMO Hydrate. So this one is made to be used on a wet or dry surface. They've increased the amount of protection that's inside. So this is part of the system itself, and you'll see why we use this later on. And there are some new microfiber towels, so some orange ones, so when you're washing the vehicle with FROTHe, and some blue ones for the final buffing and also to apply AMMO Hydrate. All right, so first, what is a hoseless wash? Well, essentially, it's a system that allows you to wash your car without the use of free-flowing water. So there are many examples and instances where the use of water isn't possible. So for example, if you live in an apartment or condo, it's perfect for people living in the desert or who are going through periods of drought, or also if you're in a city where there are heavy water restrictions. It's also great for those winter months where you don't have access to a hose or you want to wash your car in your garage. It's also great for someone who is at a car show, has a light layer of dust on the vehicle, and they want to wash the car, and obviously they don't have access to a garden hose. And another great example is those self-serve car washes. So it's perfect because you don't need to carry any buckets or any mitts or any other equipment with you. All you need is your hoseless wash system, and that's it. All right, so first, let me be very clear. Now, this is not a replacement for a traditional wash method with water. Now, this is an alternative for the examples that I spoke about before. So in instances where access to a garden hose or free-flowing water isn't an option, well, you can still go ahead and wash your car using this system. Of course, if your car is heavily soiled or is very dirty, well then I'll still recommend a traditional wash. So what AMMO FROTHe does, well, it basically lays a very thick layer of shaving cream-like foam onto your vehicle, and that foam contains humectants, and those act as lubricants to lift the dirt off the surface and gently wipe it away with a microfiber towel, and it reduces the chances of scratching and marring during your hoseless wash. One 16-ounce bottle of AMMO FROTHe will allow you to do 25 to 30 washes, and it's roughly $1 per wash, so it's very economical. So to use this, it's very simple. So you essentially open your aerator, and inside we're gonna mix AMMO FROTHe. So it's a 1 to 20 dilution. So in this case, we're gonna pour 2 ounces of AMMO FROTHe directly in the container, and we're gonna fill it up with 40 ounces of water. Now you can use tap water or distilled water, whichever you prefer. So you pour that directly in the bottle. You screw the cap back on. All right, screw that in tightly. You're gonna shape the mixture up, and that's pretty much it. I prefer to use lukewarm to warm water, so it helps with loosening up all the debris. And then you have a pump, so you're essentially gonna pump until it's very hard to continue pumping, meaning that the unit will be fully pressurized and ready to use. So let's go ahead All right, so now that our solution is ready, using it is super simple. So you basically have a trigger here up top. So you're gonna take your bottle, you're gonna spray one panel at a time, roughly 1 to 2 feet away from the panel, using a back and forth motion. All right, so now that we've applied AMMO FROTHe to a panel, we're gonna take a clean microfiber towel and we're gonna swipe it and roll it across the panel to help lift and scoop up the dirt. Okay, so now that you've scooped up the dirt with your first towel, you're gonna take a second clean and dry microfiber towel and go over the panel again, and that way you'll pick up any leftover residue. AMMO have released their new microfiber towels, so these orange ones to lift off AMMO FROTHe. So it's a lighter color so you can see all the dirt being lifted off the panels. And we also have some darker towels that you can use to apply AMMO hydrate, more on that later, and for use with your wheels. All right, so now that the panel is clean and dry, we're gonna take AMMO hydrate and spray that onto the panel. And using a clean and dry microfiber towel, we're gonna massage hydrate into the paint. We're gonna flip the towel around and we're gonna buff off. So this way, this will pick up any leftover residue, but also it's gonna help give a nice shine and it's gonna boost the protection of your paint. So it's basically adding a small layer of a paint sealant onto your paint. So that's it. You saw how simple this is. So it took me roughly 25 to 30 minutes to work my way around the vehicle. Make sure you keep your wheels for the end and you use a wheels only microfiber towel. That way you won't contaminate your paint with a dirty towel. Also, don't panic if you see a bit of frothy residue. So sort of like this bubbly foamy material that's still in some cracks or in between some door panels on the paint. That's totally normal. It will evaporate. Okay, so now I'm gonna answer the frequently asked questions about the AMMO FROTHe Hoseless wash system. So number one, does this replace a traditional wash with water? Well, the answer is no. So of course, if you have access to water, by all means, do your traditional wash method, as water is a very universal lubricant and is a great way to wash your car. But if there's no way for you to have access to a garden hose or free-flowing water, well, by all means, you can use this system, but again, only for use on light to moderately soiled vehicles. All right, so question number two, in which instances am I gonna use the AMMO FROTHe Hoseless wash system? Well, there are many examples, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So if you live in an apartment or a condo, if you live in the desert, or you're in a period of drought or heavy water restrictions, if you're during the winter months and wanna wash your car in a garage but don't have access to a garden hose, if you do not have access to free-flowing water or a garden hose, if you're at a car show, for example, and there's a light layer of dust and you want to clean your car, or if your car has been sitting in a garage and again, it has a light layer of dust, it's perfect for that. And last but not least, those self-serving car washes, well, no need to bring your heavy buckets and your mitts and a bunch of different products and items. All you need is your aerator with your solution, a couple of microfiber towels, and AMMO hydrate, and that's it. You're good to go. You're gonna wash and protect your vehicle. Okay, so question number three, why are we using AMMO hydrate after having washed the vehicle with AMMO FROTHe? Well, essentially, hydrate is going to help to pick up any leftover contaminants from FROTHe, and you're also increasing the shine and adding a bit of layer of protection with AMMO hydrate. Question number four, can I leave my FROTHe mix in the aerator for many weeks or many months? And the answer is yes, absolutely, no problems. Just don't forget to release the pressure after each use. So you have a little valve here up top, and you basically activate it. This will release the pressure. Question number five, is AMMO FROTHe safe for use on ceramic coated cars or cars that have PPF, so paint protection film applied to them, or even vinyl wraps? And the answer is yes, absolutely, no problem. Okay, the last question, and probably the most important question, is AMMO FROTHe gonna scratch my car? Well, of course, we can never promise that a system will never scratch your car. There are way too many variables out there, but thanks to the amazing lubricants and humectants found inside AMMO FROTHe, I can guarantee you that this is gonna absolutely minimize the chances of scratching your paint. But you know what? Let's hear it from the expert himself, Larry Kosilla. So Larry, tell us more about this.
Hey Pan, it's Larry here from AMMONYC.com. As always, thank you for everything you're doing and including me in your video. That's super cool. This is the Audi R8. I finally got a chance to drive it because we have no snow. It's been pretty warm the last couple of days, so I got to go drive this today, and it's Sunday, and I'm just having an absolute blast. You've asked me to clarify some questions for a lot of your viewers. The number one question we get is this going to prevent scratching? The answer is that's an impossible question to answer. I think with these formulas, what's happening is you're creating so much lift and so much lubrication, it's giving you the best chance to clean your car in the absence of water. So if you have water, I'm telling you now, use water. Water is the best lubricant anywhere around short of oil. And so I kind of took that concept and jammed it into here because there's millions of viewers out there, millions of car people that literally just have no opportunity, no water around to clean their car, and they love it. So I'm trying to give them a tool to facilitate that in the absence of water. So hopefully that answers it. Pan, if you can, maybe post a video up here of my review where I have my nerdy chart and I can show you how it's impossible to answer based on how hard or soft the paint is, how much lubrication is the pad, is the towel clean, that kind of thing. So that's the number one question I really trying to get through to a lot of people. Now, in your email that you sent to me, you said a lot of your fans are asking you one question in particular, and that is, can I put soap in the aerator? The answer is yes. Now, a lot of people are putting AMMO foam and AMMO boost, combining them to get the anti-corrosion abilities, that kind of thing. And they're washing their car and they're using it in lieu of, let's say, a pressure washer, foam cannon, foam gun, that sort of thing. So you still need to use water as you normally would in your wash, but you can use this as kind of getting into the tight spots. You put it on the wheels, the lower rocker. It's a really great thing to do. What I want to keep everybody put in your mind is the idea is you really need to separate them in different aerators. Now, I'm not telling you to buy multiple aerators. If you have other ones, that's great, that's cool, but you want to keep frothy in one aerator. You want to keep your soaps in another. If you're using detergents or something like that, or degreasers rather, you want to keep them separate because of the pucks inside. You don't like to cross-contaminate them. It just kind of decreases their lifespan. Same idea as cross-contaminating wheel soap and paint soap and the buckets. That same concept, keep that in mind. But the answer is yes, you can totally use it and sort of not have to drag out the pressure washer, foam cannon, that sort of thing. So anyways, hopefully that helps. And Pan, thanks again for including me in your video. They're super cool, informative. I know you have crazy fans, and they are fantastic. So again, much love. I'll talk to you guys soon, and get out and drive your car. It's so warm out now. I'm having a blast. So I'll talk to you guys soon.
So guys, if you want to check out the AMMO FROTHe Hoseless wash system, I'll leave the links in the description down below for you guys to check them out. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video, so I was not paid by AMMO to talk about this system, but believe me, this is the best hoseless wash system on the market today. Super simple to use, and it's a complete system. So again, you get the AMMO FROTHe, this is your hoseless wash. You get the AMMO aerator, the pump sprayer. You get AMMO hydrate, and you get some microfiber towels, and that's it. Super simple. You can carry it around with you pretty much in any place and wash your car anytime. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I also hope you enjoyed me having a guest star on the video, so thanks to Larry. So if you liked the video, make sure you smash up the thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Guys, thanks for watching, thanks for being there like every single week, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.